New head-up display 9.6-inch for Tesla is a revolutionary upgrade designed to enhance your driving experience, specifically for Tesla Model 3, 2016 to 2023, and Model Y, 2020 to 2024. This sleek device delivers essential information right within your natural line of sight, making your drive safer and more connected without distractions. Featuring a 9.6-inch IPS full-view touchscreen with a high resolution of 1920 x 480p, this HUD offers ultra-clear visibility, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising on the highway, the screen remains sharp and readable in all conditions. Built on a Linux operating system, this HUD supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Carlife, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. Once connected, you can use your preferred navigation apps like Google Maps or Map directly through the HUD. This makes your journeys more intuitive as directions, music, and messages become easily accessible while keeping your focus on the road. The HUD is not just a screen, it's an intelligent assistant offering a wide range of real-time data and warnings. Drivers can view rich and dynamic driving information such as current speed, high/low beam indicators, turn signal status, speed limits, tire pressure, battery temperature, gear, car mode, including AP/Autopilot and power levels. Additionally, the device provides multiple safety alerts such as speeding alarms, tire pressure warnings, seatbelt reminders, and blind spot alerts. For Tesla owners who use Autopilot functions, the HUD displays AP mode status, forward collision warnings, and side vehicle approach notifications, significantly improving your situational awareness. One of the standout features is battery preheating, which helps your Tesla charge more efficiently, especially in colder climates. It also includes a built-in speaker, giving you the option to play music directly through it or sync audio with your Tesla's main sound system. Whether you're taking calls or enjoying your favorite playlist, the flexibility in audio control enhances your overall driving experience. Installation is refreshingly simple. The unit can be fully set up in just 5 minutes with 3 easy steps, all without altering or damaging your Tesla's original interior. Designed for convenience, functionality, and seamless integration, this 2025 Tesla HUD is the ideal tech enhancement for any Model 3 or Y owner looking to modernize their cockpit with style and intelligence.